Hello everyone, welcome to TutorialsPoint. In this video, we are going to talk about some of the beneficial activities of bacteria. So first, let us take a look on the beneficial activities in case of agriculture. So first, these bacteria, different types of bacteria which we know, or the kingdom Monera, they are known as nature's scavengers. Why? Because these bacteria, like mostly the saprophytic bacteria, they help in cleaning up the earth by removing the dead organic remains of plants and animals and also various other organisms. So the dead remains of plants and animals are cleared by these type of bacteria. Now we can imagine a condition that if these type of saprophytic bacteria were absent, then it would have been a total mess, because all these dead organic matter and dead animals and plants would have been scattered everywhere. So these would not have been decomposed. So these type of bacteria are known as nature's scavengers. Very importantly, they help in sewage disposal. We know every day a huge amount of wastes is generated from factories, from industries, from our house also. So these are treated by these type of bacteria. So they help in sewage disposal. Ammonifying bacteria. There are some bacteria which releases ammonia from amino acids. From various amino acids, it can release ammonia. Nitrogen fixing bacteria, a very important type of bacteria, for example rhizobium. They help in fixing atmospheric gaseous nitrogen into nitrites, which can be in turn used by plants. We know that plants cannot use gaseous atmospheric nitrogen as a nitrogen source. This has to be converted into nitrites in order to be used. So nitrogen fixing bacteria like rhizobium present in the root nodules of leguminous plants. So they help in fixing these type of gaseous nitrogen into nitrites, which are actually the usable form of nitrogen in case of plants. Manure. They help in production of manure. That is, the dead and organic matter, they are decomposed and it is converted into manure. Because of this manure actually has a lot or high content of nutrients, which helps in the growth of the plants. So plants can grow well if grown in manure or treated with manure. Another very good application of these type of bacteria is in the production of gobar gas plants. So what are these? So in gobar gas plants, we in a very big pit, we put the animal waste, cow dung and various organic waste there. Those are rotted or decomposed by these type of saprophytic bacteria. Now because of this decomposing activity of the saprophytic bacteria, manure is formed. In addition to that, some gases are formed which can be used as high efficiency fuel. And a very important additional advantage is that these type of fuel do not produce or do not give out toxic chemicals or toxic gases to the environment. So it is a eco-friendly type of fuel. Now the next important beneficial role we are going to discuss is in case of industries. Very important role in case of dairy industries. Like lactic acid bacteria. So these are a type of bacteria which help in the conversion of milk protein casein into different products like cheese, like we have butter, we have curd, yogurt. So these are the various milk products which we have, which is only possible because of these type of lactic acid bacteria. Now Lactobacillus is a type of bacteria which helps in the production of lactic acid. So Lactobacillus helps in the lactic acid production. There are some bacteria which are known as acetic acid bacteria, which actually converts ethyl alcohol into acetic acid, that is vinegar. So bacteria also help in vinegar production. One of the most important application is the antibiotic extraction. We know antibiotics are substances produced by bacteria in very small concentrations or low concentration, and these are useful in inhibiting the growth of other organisms. Very importantly, which we have used the property of antibiotics is that these type of antibiotics only kill or checks the growth of target organism, but in turn it does not hamper the host organism. So various diseases are treated by antibiotics. antibiotics are extracted from these type of bacteria. And also importantly, synthesis of vitamins. Like various types of vitamins are synthesized. For example, E. coli, it remains in a symbiotic association with human beings in the human intestine. They produce vitamin B, various types of vitamin B and also vitamin K. So in this video, we have talked about the beneficial effects of various bacteria. We have seen the beneficial effects in case of agriculture and also we discussed about the beneficial effects in case of industries. So I hope you have understood and liked this video. Thank you.